Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage network security with Cisco. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current network infrastructure. Identify the critical assets that need protection. Conduct a comprehensive risk assessment to pinpoint vulnerabilities. Familiarize yourself with Cisco's network security solutions and tools. Choose the appropriate Cisco devices based on your needs. Install Cisco routers equipped with security features. Configure basic access control lists, or ACLs, on your routers. Implement firewalls to monitor and control incoming and outgoing traffic. Deploy Cisco's intrusion prevention system, or IPS, to detect and respond to threats. Utilize Cisco's VPN solutions to secure remote access. Integrate Cisco Identity Services Engine, or ISE, for enhanced access control. Regularly update your Cisco iOS software to patch vulnerabilities. Leverage Cisco Security Manager for centralized management of security policies. Train your network team on best practices for network security management. Establish a consistent monitoring system for ongoing threat detection. Review logs and alerts through Cisco's monitoring tools. Create a detailed incident response plan for handling security breaches. Conduct regular security audits to assess the effectiveness of your measures. Stay informed about the latest security threats and vulnerabilities. Adjust your security policies as necessary to adapt to evolving threats. Document all security configurations and changes for future reference. Engage in continuous improvement by reviewing and refining your security strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.